Custom doors are more than just an entryway into your home. They are a blend of functionality, security, and design that can transform your living space. In Layton, where homes reflect a unique balance of suburban charm and modern aesthetics, custom doors have become a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property. Whether you are building a new home or renovating an existing one, installing custom doors offers several key benefits that make them a worthwhile investment. Tailored design to match your home's aesthetic. One of the most significant advantages of custom doors is their ability to complement your home's architectural style and interior design. Unlike standard doors, which come in limited styles and sizes, custom doors are made to your specifications. For homeowners in Layton, this means you can create a door that aligns with the unique aesthetic of your home, whether it's a modern minimalist design or a rustic farmhouse style. You can choose from a variety of materials, colors, finishes, and decorative elements, ensuring your door becomes a statement piece. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Installing a custom door can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, making a lasting impression on guests and potential buyers. In a city like Layton, where properties often boast well-maintained yards and scenic views, a beautifully crafted custom door can add to the overall charm of your residence. Additionally, a unique door sets your home apart in the neighborhood, giving it a distinctive look that showcases your personal style. Improved security. Custom doors are not just about appearance, they also offer superior security compared to off-the-shelf options. These doors are typically built with high-quality materials like solid wood, reinforced steel, or fiberglass, which provide enhanced protection against break-ins. Furthermore, custom doors can be equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, smart technology, and additional security features tailored to your needs. For Layton homeowners concerned about safety, investing in a custom door ensures peace of mind while adding an extra layer of protection to their property. Perfect fit for any space. Homes in Layton come in all shapes and sizes, and so do their entryways. If you have a uniquely shaped or oversized doorway, finding a standard door that fits perfectly can be a challenge. Custom doors are made to measure, ensuring they fit your space precisely without the need for modifications. This is especially beneficial for older homes or properties with non-standard architectural features. A custom-fit door not only looks better but also eliminates drafts and improves energy efficiency by sealing gaps more effectively. Increased energy efficiency. Layton experiences a range of weather conditions, from hot summers to cold, snowy winters. Custom doors are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. With the right materials and weatherproofing features, custom doors reduce heat loss in the winter and minimize heat gain in the summer. This improved energy efficiency can lower your utility bills while making your home more environmentally friendly. Long-term durability and value. Custom doors are built to last. Unlike mass-produced doors, which may use lower quality materials and construction methods, custom doors are crafted with durability in mind. High-quality wood, fiberglass, and steel options resist wear and tear, even in harsh weather conditions. This durability translates to long-term value. While custom doors may have a higher upfront cost, they require less frequent replacement or repair, saving you money over time. Moreover, a custom door can increase the resale value of your home by appealing to buyers who appreciate premium features. Personalized features for functionality. Custom doors offer the opportunity to integrate personalized features that enhance their functionality. From built-in blinds and decorative glass panels to pet doors and advanced locking systems, the options are nearly endless. For Layton homeowners who value both form and function, these customizations ensure that the door not only looks great but also meets their practical needs. Conclusion. Installing custom doors in your Layton residence is an investment in style, security, and functionality. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency and providing a perfect fit for your home, custom doors offer a range of benefits that standard doors simply can't match. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement with a grand entry door or add a personal touch to your interior doors, custom options allow you to bring your vision to life. By choosing a custom door, you're not just upgrading your home, you're creating a lasting impression that reflects your unique taste and lifestyle.